Let's see. Oops, forgot to click start recording. Oops. It should be live. Live. Okay. There's the notification. Go. It or it doesn't matter. Hello, people.
Raadi, stop het.
Hello. Fucker. Okay. Okay, that's hello. How have you guys been going? I have not streamed since a long time ago, I don't think. Since a long time ago. English is still on point, thank fuck. Let's see. I haven't streamed in 7 months. Is that possible? That I haven't streamed in 7 months.
Yes.
Holy shit, bro.
Yes, very much so. To my anger.
Whoops. Did you know? I have 100 subscribers. Yeah, great news. Thank you. So, hope you guys see me. Yeah. I don't know if I sound weird. I do sound weird to myself, but doesn't matter. So, welcome. Today we are making, as the title so nicely puts it, Postman, but in the terminal. Why we are doing that is an unknown question. I just wanted to do it, so we are gonna do it. I think it's actually because I saw it somewhere on Twitter. I was like, I can do that better. It is always the case, and then well, it's always the case that I want to do it better, never the case that I do it better. Haha. Anyways, now what are we gonna do? Shut the fuck up, cat. Shut up. If you hear meowing in the background, it's the cat. She's angry that she's not getting food, even though she doesn't need it. No. Thankfully, she's fine. Anyways, so that's what we're doing. We're making a application in a terminal, also known as a TUI, UI, or whatever the fuck is. How are we gonna do that? Is a great question. So I already started it, and I wanted. No, there's multiple ways I could have done it, but I'm gonna do a framework in quotation marks, and then based on that, I can add components like the text input or fields or whatever, and hopefully it's all gonna work. We'll see. So currently we only have this text component, which draws the text to the screen here, and it makes it border. If build run, this is what it says. Let me extend the time. That's here. Also, let me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see. Here it is. So it currently only draws this. Draws this. The coloring is made on purpose like that, just to see if it works and if it can fit in the characters. The border is automatic in quotation marks. You just set the maximum amount of characters, which can be 8. It was 10 before. It builds, and now it's only 8 characters, which is great news. Now, there are 2 ways to do this, writing to text and going back to where you were. Oh my fucking god. And one of them was just like make the amount of lines there is on the terminal, just new lines, and go back to the top, just draw there and just return it. The other one is just use this private ANSI mode. As explained in this link here, which I'm gonna save here. I copy pasted this for people, I don't care. ANSI CSS escape codes. I don't know how to write, bro. Okay, it's this, and it goes through how the access codes work. I don't give a fuck. If we go back down here, these are some examples of private modes which are not defined by specification but are implemented in most terminals. And I tried multiple ways to do it, and the simplest one, literally, is right here. Enable the alternative buffer, where you can write whatever you want, and when you disable it, it just goes back to being normal. And it's like great. So that's what we use. These 1049H and 1049L, which I feel like is high and low, which makes sense. Yeah. I'm sorry. I forgot how to speak this much. This just means let's go back to the top left, because it's 0, 0. The coordinates goes from 0, 0 to whatever the fuck. I should maybe zoom in a bit. Let's actually see. If I go onto my phone, can I understand what I'm writing? The Twitch app, let's turn off the sound so I don't double hear myself. Let's go to live 3. Nope, that's not sure. Let's go to create. No, actually, probably stream manager more that I wanted. How do I see my stream? Motherfucker. They just know how to break stuff. Can I? Yes, can I watch my stream? That would thank you. Can I read? What's written here? If I, how the fuck do I turn off the chat, bro? Like this? Yeah. No. Brother. Oh my fucking god. Okay. No, I don't want next mode. Oh my. Sorry, this is the app problem. I can read it. Like, can I read it greatly? Probably not, but I can like, if I if I hold it semi-close, I can read what it says. But semi-away, it's also fine. Also, the problem is that I also can't fucking see, so that probably doesn't help. That should be fine. You just have to do a bit more of this. That should be fine. So, and again, this means we go to 0, 0. Very great news. Now, what do I want to make today? Let's actually just fill in this shit. Blah, blah, blah. It's 07. I talked for 8 minutes. For 7 minutes. 8 minutes. I hate it here. 0, 0. And it's 8 minutes. What? 7. 50, sure. So, what are we gonna do today? Today, we are gonna go and finish these to-dos that I made, hopefully. And if possible, do more stuff. Because we don't need only the ability to show text, we also need to be able to like read the input, draw tabs, take care. So when I mean read the input, you could just like interpret it as commands, or it can be literally typing in and stuff like that. So we need to do all of that, but we're gonna do that later today. We're just gonna do this. So as I have shown, if you run this, it currently shows the text. But the text by itself now has a border. Now I don't want that, because what if you want to draw text without border for some reason? I don't have a clue. That's why I want to make more components like the container border, and then just combine those into that thing, into this current text. Why? Because why not? The border can then be extrapolated, and I don't need to extrapolate it. What the fuck does that mean? The border can then be used as a separate component for all the other components that I'm gonna add the border to as well. So I don't have to add the border logic for every component. So easiest way is probably gonna be let's do this. We copy pasted the component. Okay, get move away. Move. Let's see. So we have the border. I could do the container one first, but I don't want to. The border one seems more fun, and when we do that one, we can do the container. So we need first the inner component, which is gonna be any type probably. How do I do that? It is any type. It is any type. Ah, hi. See. No KitKat. So component needs would be literally any component that has a random function. How do I do that? For now, let's just do any big, and then we're gonna think about it. And then the info about the border. Let's see. So I had a thought about this before because I didn't really think about stream, but stream, so I need to explain what I've thought. Is like we can either have a single character border, which is like single character is for everything, or a multi-character border. For example, for this one we have here, it needs to be dashes for the top and bottom, and is piped for the left and right. You know. And now my question is, if I do something like, if I have multiple characters like top to top, does that mean it's gonna just copy paste them until it can't anymore? Or is it gonna be like this? Let me just try to and be like hello. You know, like, is it gonna be 3D, which would be kind of crazy, or is it just gonna be like try to repeat the pattern? Don't know. So we're not gonna bother with that right now. Let's do this. Enum pub. How do you make an enum in Zig? Well, we're gonna find that out. Zig in. Let's do this too as well. Enum. Union. Yes. Tagged unions is what we. Okay, this. So once pub once option. So maybe is machine of wait probably and it's gonna be what? We're gonna have an option of character of U8. It is how you use them. Really? Huh. The more you know. Complete not how you use. Enum? What? Oh my fucking god, my brain is not working. Union enum. Union. Okay, U8. And then we're gonna have a char and like per, like side. And it's gonna be a struct. It's gonna be left U8 top left bottom right. Top left bottom and right. Okay, that makes sense. And then we need to render it. Now we can. How that you should be. That would return an any type. Do we want an any type or do we want a something? A something. Very creative. Probably a something. So. So here we can take any type. Gonna be like type T. And then we can return this. And then we're gonna figure that out. Okay. So now we don't need this. So No, or there would be a function wouldn't it, that returns this. Okay. Makes sense. And is this how you return it? No, but I return a type. Wait a second. Okay, now I have more questions. Can I have a of type? Can I have an A of type? No, that means it's a type, not that it's any type. Okay. Sad. So this takes a type and returns a type. Yes, probably. And this is going to have a component of type T. That's okay, T. And then we're gonna have the options. Const self is at this. And then we're gonna do the options. Let's do this. And then when rendering, what do we need to do? Oof. We pass the X and the Y. How should this return something then? Like the width? It probably needs to return something like the width. Now we have this here, perfect. Const left is. How can we destructure? Destructure. The Zig. Let's see. You can do this. This is not bad. Okay, const. Oh my fucking god. I'm gonna kill this. Const left, right, const top, const right, const bottom is how do I block or something like that? Block. Right. Yeah. Like this up or something. Contain. Perfect. Instead of that, we're just gonna do self switch. That's not text, it should be self here. Self dot options. How the fuck do I match on options? This is why we need these. This that bro. Char. Is that how you do it? No, you do it afterwards, okay. C. And then we have something else. Side, yes. Try that. Break. This break. Look. Come on. Okay, so this surprisingly works. Okay, so this is the top. Top is gonna have this. Left, right, and then bottom. Bottom. Let's try. Let's. It's not gonna. Really interesting. It says it. Huh. So, put this. Now instead of this, we need to render the component. So we need to do something like soft component render and take the screen x plus 1, y plus 1. If it give it that, should it? Do we want to have a function other than render that gives us the information about the how much it needs to render? Like constraints. That's exactly how it spell constraints. Let's see. Yes. And it's gonna take a const text or self and it's gonna return something. Constraints struct. It's with the of your size size. What else? Probably that for now. Turn height is 1 and width, that's exactly what I wanted, is self dot max characters. Yes. Okay. Const constraints. Const constraints is self component constraints. I don't know how to say it, bro. Constraints. 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 Okay. Const. Okay. Constraints that brain with the with if it's the height after rendering this, and you need to render that for okay. So this is for width, and then for you can just render this up here. Who cares? It's gonna be fine, hopefully. Fingers crossed and stuff like that. For 0 to perfect. That height I. Left and right. Left and right. Plus 1 plus I. Whoops. And screen that width. Okay. Plus X. This is width. This should this should might work. So this is gonna be constraint height. Okay. Right. Let's do it like this. Const text is try container. No. Border. Fuck. I forgot I need to change this. The border is gonna be a function. Function border. Without this. Can you please just block this like this? That's because of this. Oh, I think good. Const text of border of text put in it. And then we do const. Actually, this is text, and this is text with border text, and then dot with border. It's gonna be char dot. Oh. Okay, this should maybe work. Let's see. I hope, but I hoped incorrectly. Top. Nope. Left, top, right, bottom. Okay. Where is that? And this is 155. Uh-huh. Build, run. Uh-huh, okay. So the problem is I'm still doing practically all of this. So remove this. It's what do we say? Not +1, just the attacks. No, X. X is for not us. Again, not Y +1 again. Oof. You're skipping something here. Is this not supposed to be +1? Okay, let's see. 0 Y +1. So constraint. Okay, no, yeah, this is +1. Okay, now, because I don't like that border, we can make the other border. Const border info is border const. Oh, I decided. Really? Oh, God. It only needs to be a bit better on. Yeah, makes sense. That's sad. Decided. How do we get this? Like this. Now let's see. That is gonna be this like this, and it's just gonna set all these two dashes on left we do this, and on right we do this. Like this, hopefully. Const border info border option. Why the fuck would it be a border info? This. Oops. Options. Much better. See, we are back to square one. Smiley face. Okay, so we make a border component. That's great. Let's put it at the top then, so we don't confuse ourselves. Oof. Is this live? Let's check that. I think it is. That God knows. Okay, yes, it is. I completely forgot about that. That's fine. What's something else? So I should probably commit this. Let's get status. First, let's make sure that this is fine. We added that. Set it to 10, that's fine. And then we added the border stuff. Constraints. Removed out of this. Okay. So little code replaced with so much more code. That's fine. And the changes here are we made the border component. Great. Get status, get commit, made border component. Yes. Okay, now what's next? Let's see. What's something else? That's not what I look like. That's completely fine. Yeah. Let's see. No need for that or that. Or this, really. What do I wanna do? Probably this container. So what do we want the containers to have? Mm. Mm. Container. Where we wanted. So like fill parent. What does that mean? We can okay. So the container we would set the width and height, and then what do we what would we do then? We can like align the items, I guess, pad them and stuff like that. Like padding is just like take the item constraints and just add x and y to them. Just wait a second. Okay. I hope you can hear me. Okay, you can. I'm back. Food got here. Let's see. So yes, we want a container. We can set the weight and height, or we can make it padding. Should the padding be separate container, separate component? Maybe. Hmm. Maybe. Maybe. Why would I? Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, for that reason. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Maybe. Padding. Because aligning can be done. So container should be aligning. Padding should be another component probably. Okay, makes sense. Okay, we're doing this mostly, yes. Okay, we did this too, I just forgot. Okay. Status git add. I said exactly what I want to get status commit. And it says finish to the push J. Oh, yeah. Let's see. What else do we do? So okay, it should be another split in padding and then container. Can align items, etc. And padding component. I feel like we understand what padding component is. But first I want to make the container because it sounds funner. And we need some fun here. These components that take other components kind of suck because you need to have this like a function that creates a struct and then you can only init it. It's just but okay. Container. Container is gonna have type and options. What are the options? Let's think. So what are the options here? Like width. So no. Do we want the options to be there like in here? I feel like I like them being like this. So like struct. Is width with your size height. Your size then align. Is gonna be like this. You know? Fuck. How do you do a bit field? Bit field, you know? Zig, zig. Plug set. Da, 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 da. Eh. 07 completed. Okay. Okay, let's see. 5. Okay, that's because I clicked the wrong button. That's just great. Blah, blah, blah. Has this been closed? Oh my fucking god! I cannot speak. I have not spoken for so long, in English at least. Bit. Is there something like bit? No, there is not. It is sad. This is from 7 years ago. Oh my fucking god. That's a lot of years ago. So we're gonna have something like left. Top, top left, right, top right, bottom, bottom left and bottom right. Okay. Top left, right, bottom, top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right. Okay. Cool. What's something else? I think those are all the alignments we want. The width and the height. And center. Oh, fuck. Center. But it can be then top left, top center, bottom left, bottom center, and then center. Oops. Okay. Center top and center bottom. Is that not correct? Yes, those are all. I think 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. You know what? The top center would bet that. There's no need for top center if it's by default. No, maybe it's top left by default. Or maybe we don't allow any of these except these are ambiguous and I don't like them, so we do this. And we think about it. Center, top left, tops, right, center, top right, or top middle maybe. Top middle. I have a question. Top center or top middle? Yes. Okay. Center top or middle top? Okay. Middle. Top. Left top middle. The fuck is middle top? Middle left. Right. Yes. Okay. Middle. 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 Now I don't know if I'm spelling this correctly. Is this how you spell middle? Yes, it is. Okay. Middle left. Middle right. Bottom left. Bottom middle. Bottom right. Okay. Middle. Okay. This is an option. In other cases, you just do top left by default. Not care about this. We're gonna do it in our own way. Component option. Yes. Okay. So what do we do? So first for I need this for border. This is gonna be what? This is gonna be constraints. It's gonna be okay. Constraints is self.component constraints. Like this. Okay. And then we're gonna do constraints component constraints. Oh my fucking god, I hate this. Height plus 2 and width. Width and height. I like more width and height. Width and height, and this is also width and height because I like it more. This is very simple. We have the width and height, and we're just gonna return that. Soft width. That's because it's text and not self here. Okay. To jump right here too. Soft width. And say chip. Soft. Please. Soft. Hello? That's because I'm crazy. Okay, that's just great. Soft options of it. But I don't have a brain cell in my brain. Let's see. So for this, we are gonna components is soft.component.constraints. Perfect. You're not gonna believe what this is gonna be. Yes. So if it's less than the width, we just got it. We're done with it. If top what? These are multiple values. Can I switch 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Multi-sequence. This is sad, but yes, we cannot do it. Let's do it like this. Switch of that option. Once or else options and that top left. I'm fucking gonna hit this one screen. One. Sure. Like this, okay. What's the type of this stuff? What the fuck is this? How do this? Okay. So we could call it get constraints. I just don't want to call it get constraints. Of type of that's because there's no alignment. Obviously, there's no alignment. Pub const alignment. Like this, I think that's how you spell alignment. This is how you spell alignment. I'm sneezing so much. I'm sorry. Yes, this is. This is how you spell alignment. Spell alignment. Oh my fucking. Okay. That's not how you spell switch though. Switch. Dot top left. We are just gonna call self.component. screen x1. Perfectly easy. And I don't need to listen to different anymore. Top left, top right, top middle. Middle, top right. How do I calculate that? Constraints. Those are their constraints divided by 2. R doublet options with minus this in max actually probably, yes. Max is 0. We can divide 0 I think, by some. I think you can do that. Zig online. So many fucking playgrounds. Grid 0 by 3. Let's try that. It's gonna be like okay, hello 0. Okay, perfect. And then int div or div truncate. Okay. Div truncate probably is fine. Denominator 2. 5 by 3. Okay, that's perfectly fine. X offset. X offset. Y offset. Y offset. This is gonna be height. Wait. That makes more sense. This is what we should do. X and Y. Exactly middle. Top right is gonna be just offset r width minus the component width x offset. Yes. And then middle left. We just need the y offset. Okay, oops. This is middle. middle. Okay, this is middle, but top middle doesn't need the y offset. Yeah, that's good to remember. What else? I now we need middle right, which this is the x offset. In that case, it is just the difference, and then it's the bottom, which is what this would be, just for y, I think. Yes, so this will be the height plus y offset. We need a y offset here too. This is the center, and y offset here too. I think this makes sense. We'll figure it out. You can do this is what we're gonna do. This is gonna be crazy. If this well const container is try container border text in it. This, oops, wrong container. Oops. Yeah, like this. Uh, 20 by 20 and dot middle. Okay, this container. But then we should border that up with another alloy. Const with border. The border of this in it, and these border options, and then render this zig build. Okay, no field name middle right. Is there not? Oops, middle right. I forgot. Yes, it did. Bottom. Fuck yes, doesn't make much sense. Let's check if this makes sense though. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 there. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's not good. What did I miscalculate? I think it's the border flow. It maybe thinks it's 1. Because this is more than this is like 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, there's 2 more lines. Why? Because, oh my fucking, that's because I copy pasted, I didn't think about it correctly. Okay, here it is. The new and improved one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that makes sense. You cannot find the center of a not centerable amount of. Oh, I'm sorry. This is fine because this is not. And this is 12. Okay, that's fine. We need then the width to be 21. No, the height to be 21. Okay. Now if you do this, this is gonna be one more, but it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here it's also gonna be 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. Okay. And then let's see if I do this. Okay. My screen. Let's wait. -1 height. Oh no. What did I do? Uh-huh. Okay. Let's do -2 at least. Yo, look at this. It's now in the middle. It's now in the middle. Yeah. Thank you. What I wanna try is to just be able to change the container. Container does options. Going to need okay, so border component container options. Okay. Now let's do this. You're gonna sleep for 1. You're just gonna change these options. Okay. For how many options is here? 2, 9. Okay. 0 to 9. 9. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Watch. What? I can do it.
Say bye-bye.
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 Bye-bye. Ciao, ciao. Okay. Okay, so they increase, so that's gonna be even better. So this is 0 to 9. 0, 4. Yes, okay, that's correct. Int enum print I is const alignment is of type fact alignment dot aligned. And then what I need to do is container dot component dot alignment is alignment, and then I need to render it, and then do this. I need to reset it. Okay, I need a reset. Okay, that makes sense. Fn reset. Oops. And reset. Clear, I guess. Better. Self is gonna be screen void, and then I have this thing map set. Never any set. Okay, that's completely fine. Screen that's clear. Okay, let's try this. Of course, it's not good because it's fucking constant, not var. Var. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, it works. I like it. Also, a second. I feel like a second is fucking. It's a bit too fucking much. So, milliseconds. Milliseconds. That's 50, 250. And I want to wait 9 seconds for this. Yeah. Now we have a thing where since we want the objects to accept any objects, I mean a component to accept. Am I ever gonna have? Okay, for now I'm not gonna change it. What I was gonna say is that I would like it if I didn't need to do this, but I don't think there's really a need for now to do to not do this, if you know what I mean. We're gonna see, maybe there is a need later, but for now, hopefully there's not a need to do this. And yeah, but we'll see. It's probably gonna be a need to do this because this is bothersome and it's only like 3 components deep or 4. So yeah. But we'll see. So not next. To do the padding one, and then what? And then try to. Meow. Do you two Kit Kats? I need water. Okay, let me get a bit of water. So this big green cactus. So, oof, we have this big green cactus thing that we bought. That's like just a jug, a big jug, and it has like a valve on the bottom, so you can just fill it, fill whatever you want. And we're using that for water now. And it's like a bit cooler than like a water bottle, but also like more bothersome than that, so, which is just very great when you house. Oh, uh, I hope you guys who are watching, if anyone's watching, are having a good time or a good time or whatever. I didn't ping the Discord today because I was like, why would I do that? Why would I do that? Do that? Maybe I should have. Maybe I shouldn't. Where's my Discord, by the way? Here it is, and I'm okay. I'm blind, which is great. Maybe I should have pinged it. I usually ping it, though it doesn't really make a difference. Who knows? So, padding. Padding is literally a border without a border, which is an interesting way to think about it. Is there something like uh, to get number uh, types zig. I know there is. I just don't know how to get it. Can't. Not that. What the fuck, bro? No, there is. Fake. It's not anonymous tax. It's comp time stuff. Make comp time get the number of stuff. Type info probably. Yeah. It's literally that. It's type info. Oh. Alignment. Dot. Oh my fucking god. Get. City built-in type. City built-in type. And then we need to do enum. And it's gonna be fields. Name and body. Field basically. Okay, and the fuck are decals. Thank you very much. Now I know exact type dot enum. Enums or enum. I think it's enum. Let's type enum. Get bro, she's washing hair, not killing anyone. Relax. Enum. Are you okay? Okay. You can do it. std debug print d. It's nuts. Sorry. If true break. I just want to see if it gives the correct option by the correct output. It's the output I thought is correct. Yes, it does. Okay. Because holy shit, this is a lot of words for alignment. And type info alignment. That's whatever here is. Oops. And then we can just do align. And then there's no need to do this. Also do this. Oh, the Kit Kats just love to meow. I'm gonna be streaming maybe for like what time? So it's like 10 to 11, and I will stream more, but I also kind of want to eat, and I don't know if I want to do this more right now, at least. I mean, I guess we're gonna do more. So padding, as we said, padding is like uh, like border literal a border, but like uh my brain is fucked. Oh my fucking god. It's like a border. It's like a border. But like no border. Not an invisible border, literally. And while it would be fucking while it would be very, very fun to do it, I'm just gonna do a pattern one like this on margin. Paddings are insane and margins are outside. Isn't it? Margins versus padding. Yes. Huh. Huh. Hmm. I'm gonna call it padding because I feel like I want to call it padding. So we're gonna call it padding. Padding convent. Smiley face. Options are literally the border options versus left chart is like uh sided same. And it's except instead of U size is instead of U8 is U size. Oops. So it's like this. And then instead of this is it's oh my fucking god. Okay. Uh can you Jaffa Ichka it what? FM get sided. Oh, we can do stuff here. For now we're not gonna I think it's gonna be something like strapped your size like this probably. So we do this. Top options is gonna be same. It's gonna return. See, we're gonna turn. Oh, left, right, left up, right bottom. I think. What? Okay. Okay, this works. Seemingly. Like, I'm not gonna turn it, but seemingly. Now, this is left plus right, and this is top plus bottom. Hmm. And then we just draw nothing anywhere. Well, we should probably draw emptiness. We're gonna draw nothing anywhere. For top. Maybe we should really draw. No. No. Okay, now. Empty. So empty. There it goes. Which is literally gonna be so, like this. Could I? Probably I do. Nah. Plus dot. Oops. And plus left. And then 4 0 dot. So 4 is gonna be y offset. Yes, it is not. What are you gonna do about it? It's top like this. I offset. Okay, and then we do those. We do those. Left and right. For each element, this is not +2, this is plus left, right. Okay. And then there's what? Are you okay? Okay. And this is constraint dot height. Yes. Where we do just how many times you do it to the left and how many times do we do the right, I guess. Okay. For this will be x of okay now 0 to left, x offset. I mean this is all gonna be the it's just that I want to do it correctly. So x plus x offset, and this is gonna be same as right. Plus x offset. I think that's gonna. What's this plus one? Fuck. What's this plus? This is plus top. This is plus one plus left, I guess. Yes. Okay. Empty. Michka, Jaffa! Oh my fucking god. Let me just get the Jaffa cake. Okay, bye bye. Okay, here I am. Left, right, and then on the bottom the same thing. The y offset, which is y plus top plus this. Oh my fucking god. Yes, like this. Yes, okay. Fuck. Okay, here. That was funny. That was like, oh, fuck. Now instead of the border text, maybe I want padding text. Once padding is padding text options. Added left, left, top, right. What? Oh, not right. That to make sure that everyone is different, so it hopefully works fine. Smiley face. And this is gonna be padding text. It's just gonna be fucking hilarious. This is padding text means padded text with padding. Points. It's padding text init text component and then options. Yes, I know what time it is. Thank you very much. And then also try. Sure. Try. Yes. And now I should just probably let's do it like this. And if true, break. Also known as break really. For real. Oh no, who the tank? Important text. Okay, fuck. So, plain text. Plain text. This is right so awful. Okay. So. Okay, I know what it is. Fuck. That's because we're going. Okay, no, I don't know what it is. It shouldn't happen. Okay, perfect. Wrap. Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So it should be here that the text is filled, but it's not being filled, which is interesting. Uh-huh. So let's render it at the end and see if it works. Okay, it does. Huh. Hmm? Left top, right bottom. Am I left top, right bottom? Padding tab. Yet. Left top, right bottom. Right bottom? Does it matter? I don't think so. I mean, the only one where it matters is here. Here, but that's left top, right bottom, and here is left top, right bottom. 1, 2, 2, and what? Huh. Stop. Let's see. For fuck's sake. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Who would have thought if you put it in correctly, everything works. And it works now. Let's just wait. Okay, well, that's good. Container. Thanks. Okay. So now I don't see what. Now, now I want to. Oh my fucking god! I really can't speak. Oh, let's actually 750. Let's see. It works. Smiley face. Are you okay? Lubavi? Okay, okay. It works. It's very cool. I'm set. Should be cheap. It's like, how much is it? What do I use for getting in the screen? Dput course. Dput. Lines. So what we are doing is 125 times 34. We're doing that many characters, and then each character here, because I want to be able to put anti-escape codes in, is like 12 characters, which means we are doing that as 12, which means we are doing 51,000 bytes, 51 kilobytes. Shut the fuck up, energy. Oh, I did a headshot. Headshot. Okay, I don't know what I did. But for my larger normal screen, here is oops, 29 times 52. So 29, 52, which is much more already. And then we do that times 12 with the 230 kilobytes. Which is not that bad. Like 130 kilobytes is fine within memory. I think well, that's what I'm saying. Oh fuck if I know, but I can do it, so I'm gonna do it. The reason why I think it's better is because it's easier to access the memory directly and not have to think about, oh my god, did I do something correct or whatever the fuck. Which is very good, very good. I know what we're gonna do for more. So let's just commit this and then do the more. Okay, let's not do it there. I like using this to check the differences. I don't know why. Padding, that's great. I think these are also great. So 50, yeah, that's fine. Let's do it like this. An empty chart. Get that clear, which makes sense. I'm sure this is all fine. I cannot read. This is what I use to see that I didn't like leave a comment or something there. Most of the times I don't. That's it. That's not how you do it here. You do it like this. Get status. Can you let them go? Maybe they need bathroom. Levi, can you let them in? Maybe they need bathroom. Okay, rest is. Maybe they need bathroom. If they're not joining, coming in, then press close it. Added. What the fuck did I do? I don't remember. Container and static components. Container, static components. Push. Okay. Next, let's see. Let's see. Did I push? I don't remember. I did push. That's good. Okay. Yes. So what I want to do is a better like setter, like set character, and set at like x u size. I need self and a mutable self. That's great. X y size and then char. It should be. It can fail. Shut up, cat. So if it's greater than, so with or x is 0, return error, out of bounds. Oh, I think right. While you could do all of this inline, I think it's kind of easier to do it like this, like separately x and separately y. Maybe you don't want to do that. In which case you don't need to do it really. Buffer y times software with plus x. Oops, it's char. It's car. Maybe I can error out, or maybe I can just not a route and like warn somehow, which is an option as well. Hmm. Hmm. What do I wanna do? Warning would be interesting for sure. Because the problem with like erroring out is that I'm probably gonna ignore these errors and be like, listen, if it's out of bounds, just like return early. And if it's not, set it. Because I wanna be able to, for example, if I set the container to be too big or something, and if it's out of bounds, just like throw it out of bounds and don't ask me about it. I think that's. See, that's. Uh, uh, so you can have a set character and then like no fail, or just like what would be the name? Name for a function that won't fail. Eat the error. It's gonna be called the set character. Just to avoid. We can just return. So, for now, I don't think I need these out of bounds, so we're just not gonna have them. We're gonna call it normal set character. And this render is fine because we don't set character anywhere. Padding is also, well, okay. Container should probably. We should probably fill the empty space with null chars since the space might not be empty. Like we did with padding, but that's fine by me for now. Hello, Kit Kat. What do you need, Kit Kat? Meow meow to you too. And this is gonna be screen set character. This is Y. And F spot from. Aside. Char empty. X plus offset. Like this, and this is Y. Yes. Y top I, and this is just like more stuff here. This is X plus, and then we have everything in the middle that's already left, and then plus X offset. We maybe could extract this into a separate variable because it's not the changing part, so it should not do the additions, but and this is gonna be this is a lot of X's and Y's. X plus I. X plus I. Okay. Okay, I do understand this. Okay. Like, what the fuck does this mean, bro? Kit Kat. Shh. Screen. Set character. X plus I. It's not I. Y. Chart. Do you see the cat? Do you hear the cat? Actually? She's so fucking loud, and I don't think even she knows why she's so fucking loud. But she certainly is loud. I don't think she wants to shut up, sadly. I don't know why she's so fucking loud, bro. Like, meow, meow, meow. Hello. Can you not place it on the MacBook, please? Because it's a it is a bit wet. I would rather you not place it on. Okay, please not place it there. You can place it on the box.
No.
I'm gonna protect it. You can just place it on the box. Don't worry. Yes. Was one plus. Activate this is. Thankfully, it's not hard to like change these. I saw. Intensity. Uh-huh. Fuck. This is left. The right. And this is certainly people there. This is X. Like this. And then what else? What the fuck happened, bro? You scared the shit out of me. Okay. Fuck. And this should be then. Fucking got screen got set. X plus I. Y. Char. X plus I. Y. Char. X plus I. Y. Char. Clear. Zig. Build. Run. I mean, this seems the same to me. Oh no, I don't want to remove the pad, the padding. I know I can just set it. We can just put it in the air fryer, bro. This seems so fine to me. Me neither. That's why I'm like, we can put it in the air fryer. But I might be hungry when I finish streaming though. So who knows? Who knows? Who knows? That seems fine to me. Let me just, I need to check this because I completely forgot to do this. Okay, did I? Is it here? Like here. 10 minutes ago. What was 10 minutes ago, bro? Is this when I finished or when I started? These are good questions. Huh. I didn't think about this because I guess when we start this. Which means this would be when we started this. And more would be 01, I think. 27-ish. I think so. This is probably 00 then. Maybe. Yes, maybe. I don't know, bro. Hello. How do you be do? TC boys Scooby do. Did I hit you? Can I not try it from here?
Yes.
Wait.
That was weak.
I just need.
What's wrong?
That's exactly what's gonna happen. Hello?
Ne? Na sredlice.
I know. Okay. I have a spray for the Kit Kats and I just shooted my girlfriend. Shot my girlfriend in the face.
This is her brush now.
What?
This is her brush now.
Oh. Why would you use your. And not mine when I need a new one?
But I need a new one as well.
Yeah. Okay. Is there something more that we wanna do now? Let's see. This is actually funny. Yes. 1, 2, 3. That's not how it's spelled 3. I think it's spelled 3, but who knows? Who knows? Hmm. I'm sorry, my brain is just like here trying to think about this. Uh, that we do with part. Really, right? Let's just check. So x plus y plus y offset, x plus x offset. Okay, I need to go from up to the y top plus y top plus I. This is x plus left plus. Okay, I'm sure it's fine. And we're gonna figure that in a week why it's not fine. Stay. Yes. What? 10? The like 99%. I don't know if it is though. Somewhere. I really don't know. If you can't see it right away, then it's probably not in there. Uh, hmm, uh, Jim buffer to function that that's for bound. What from that? And ignore the most important part of that.
She needs to be doing
Who would have thought? Who would have thought that I need to fucking but my brain is not good. Who would have thought that I need to stop this many times? Or get up from the table this many times. That's the word I was looking for. Brain. Now. Hmm. Hmm. My options, there are two options. Either make this into an enum where everyone is using there's I mean that could be easy. Huh. But there's still let me what the call that for? Ugh. Can the enum talk to itself? That's my question. Enum const test is that's not how you spell test. Enum enum. Enum. Okay. Uh, union of enum. And actually, let's do it like scroll forward. We're gonna have some container over the time, and it's gonna have component. We're gonna have text. We're gonna have wait. I think that's how you write this. No, did I fuck it up? Probably. So let's see. Padding. Nope. Okay. Okay, let's see. Handle com is component dot dot container of the text is probably like this. Hello. I'm probably like try to. It's not like that. Try alloc to. Text like this or like std what print comp line comp and okay let's put it here up zig build run huh. Not a fun okay I think uh okay. No container I think it's like this I don't know how cool hmm I'm gonna say on a whim that it probably doesn't work. So did I find sure constant here? Let's make sure that it can compile. Okay, so who would have thought when you okay, so it can't be like that. So it's gonna be self-referential. Self-referential. Right. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Definitely don't have a clue. So I'm gonna have to take, and this is sad because I would love to be able to just put everything on the stack, if possible. Like, because you don't, there's not enough options probably to not put it on the stack. So maybe using some, the, hmm, hmm, maybe using a B table is better because then I can add custom in quotation marks components. Yes. Because my thought process here is like I'm gonna have there's the text component and I need to make an input component. It needs and that component needs to handle the input. So it's probably gonna be a text component, but uh, just has its own value and that it gets from the input or whatever the fuck. But what if I want to have just a numbers component? So it's gonna be an input component, and then if it's not a number, I'm not gonna write it or something. But I don't wanna add all those components to the component. You know, I don't have a clue. I just feel like there's more work for that. That's what I'm thinking. So I'm not really sure. If you go to O13. Oh, they're adding the structuring. Oh my fucking god, this I'm so happy for this. Oh, hell yeah. That's so fucking nice. I love these. Okay. Can't wait for 014 then. Anyways. What are the other stuff? Ah, inam, inam, inam. Inam, inam, inam. Union, inam. Ginam. Tu, 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 tu. Hmm. Hmm. Attack type, not consumer animation. Uh-huh. Okay, that kind of makes sense. Union, blah, blah, blah. Tagged union is less, blah, blah, blah. Can I use? Okay, external union, packed union. Union litters. Okay. Opaque. We don't care about the opaque stuff. Exhaustive switching in. Okay. How do we call that? Switch. Switching with inoblitables. Which to avoid repeatedly specifying in or union. So, in a switch plans. I don't have a clue. This is for time using space assembly atomic built-in functions. Build one signature, build undefined behavior. Mode. Alta. At runtime. Assert. Okay. Reached unreachable code. Assertion failure. Huh. Okay, don't show up what that means. Bounds memory, file variables. You have assembly target style guide. Source encoding. Okay. We're probably gonna do then like a table, that smart table. I cannot remember the name of. The component is gonna be a struct. This has like a few functions. We're just gonna yank from here. Nothing in it, but it's fine. Nope. There's like, are you okay? Stabi. Okay, BRB. Hello, I'm back. So yes, we need see the so fuck how do I explain this? She has a doll and she was like cleaning it and then what did you do? And she like washed her hair and when she used almost a air fryer the kako se kaže fan? Hair dryer, not air fryer. Okay, hair dryer. uh, when she used the hair dryer, it was sadly too hot and a bit of hair got burned, but it's fine. Okay. CTX is opaque, and then V table is struct V table. No, it's const V table struct. And it has V table, and it has a few things. Some of which are gonna be the two functions. Only that. I was like, some of which, only that. So we're gonna have and it's actually this is it. Any opaque, yes. See, it's constants. Lift. Render, and it's gonna take surfaces. Any opaque screen. It's gonna be context. No, it's gonna be vtable. Soft. So vtable. Okay. Hello. Holy shit. Vtable dot constraints. We soft context. Same here. But rather context screen 1. And then we can have the container and stuff take a component. So this can now go back to being const container struct. We can remove this and this. Put here. And this is a component. Component. And a component. Feel if I like this more here. I don't know where I like it more, doesn't matter. And then what we can hit to is like have a function that's like fn2 component. Just gonna take self and okay, that's how you write it. It's gonna take self and return component return. It's probably gonna take analog as well. Analog. STD and it's gonna do that. Context is gonna be alloc dot move do not create allocate assign. How do you do that? Because self probably should be a pointer. Self, yes. So maybe like, you need to make sure that we are on the heap. Yeah. It's gonna be context dot self, and the tree table is const tree table is component tree table dot constraints is constraints. What the fucking spell, and let's render Why doesn't that just wait? Hmm. Uh, let's just do this for now, and then figure it out. Oops. Yes. Over the tank it works now. And then that means we can just V-table it. Let's V-table. Table. Okay, table. Table. Huh. Oh. Options and alignment. I feel like const V-table makes sense to be up here, though I don't know. Where's the aesthetic? I'm just gonna go into this. The indicator. Okay, so it's just us. Uh-huh. No, do we have to do this? No, no. uh-huh. Why would you want a pointer to this? That's what I don't know. Okay, let's see. Retail. Table. Table of operations. It's not going to be table here. B. Okay. Table. Oops. Okay. So it's a const effect. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, we should do a pointer. Okay, I guess it chose to be like that. Hmm. Uh-huh. V-table. We're gonna try to have a real V-table and then see how that goes. Probably badly, but yes. we see. We see money. Let's do this, and then we put const struct here, const, and then equals struct here, and then we do component. Are you okay? Okay, mama. Pub f, okay, fn, to component. Yeah, I don't know if I want this here, and then these const table components, self return context self. Okay, just to work. Then here const border struct here. Oops. This, so that component. This V-table save. Let me just later copy paste this because I cannot keep doing it myself. I mean, I can, I just don't want to. This component self, just text This is the only one that's funny. That's correct, probably. Yeah. Text. Does that make sense or not? Don't know. Constraints. So here, what's this border? It makes much more sense. Let's remove this and then just replace it. Oops. With the border. I think everyone needs to pick up this. This one obviously doesn't need it. Text also doesn't need it. I don't remember why I had them do it necessary, but they certainly are not. Interesting. This one is one line and the other ones are not one line. I'm gonna make them all one line because otherwise it's just gonna bother me. And this is two component, isn't it, as well? Yes, it is. Container. So this is two component here. Two component here and component here. And this is build and let it all flow. Okay, first of all, we want this. I wonder why it's not an asshole. Okay, there's no need to try. And then let me just padding options. Where is padding dot init? To component. Why? Huh. Why? Stack, brother. Oh my fucking god. And this is border. And this is padding. And this is component. Oh. No need to try anything here. This is border options. And this is border in it. Component. This is container dot init. And this is border. And we need this. These absolute component. And then yes. Main text found const main text. Makes sense. We need all of this to be variable. Var. Oops, var. Wherever there's an init. Aha. Two component. This is gonna be an epic. This is gonna be fucking hell. Why would that be? Why would that be true? Oh my god. Okay. Oof. So render. Let's do this. Oh. And so let's do this. That's it here for a render. And constraints also. This is container. Okay. Okay, now constraints. This is just not component. This is padding here, and this render is same thing. Get padding, and same with the border constraints, and then oops, too much border. Render border. Yes. And constraints and render. That's I suck by not reading. Let's put it that way. Padding, render to this. Value of type main constraints. Yeah. That might be it. Zig. Okay, fuck it. Zig build. I need to be able to read. Okay, and that's fine. Type font const.
Look, I fixed it.
Oh yeah, let me see.
Look.
It looks perfect, bro. I love it.
It's not even noticeable.
Because there's not there.
Did some careful scissoring.
Good.
Brush scissors. Huh?
Congrats. I feel like
Scary as shit, let me tell you that.
you can do it. Main constraints. Where? Or was okay? Render is what it is. That's on me. That's on me, my man. That's on me. Yes. Clear. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay, this is it. So this is a component for render. Let's call it 0, 0. Sig build. How many fucking errors is here? Okay. Yeah. Zig build run. Uh-huh. No, that just feels maybe. Oh, rather. Huh?
Bring me that stress. That's pretty here.
It's here. It's here.
Softly.
I don't know, bro.
Let me see. Baby, I did.
I think it is. I don't have a clue. That's because I'm not doing this because I'm smart.
And it's something that I did.
Yeah, it's great.
No.
Okay, I forgot to show it to the screen. Okay, I was scared for a second. Okay, that's correct. Look at this. Does it not look breathtaking? Look. Look.
Eerste de shadow.
Nah, great. Right, what is this? No field occupants instructor component. Oof.
Maybe
Uh,
5 minutes.
uh-huh. For 5 minutes. Okay, okay. You do what you need to do.
Will you stream?
Literally 2 more minutes. Just let me. I just want to finish this and then we stop. Okay.
Finish?
Yes,
The
of course. So I think I can just do this directly because I'm taking pointers now. I can just do container. Don't worry. Yes, yes, yes. I should put them, correct? I should put the food right away. That's the rest of it. Yeah. Look. And it moves. You can see flashing. That's fine. That's what I said. Probably not fine. Why does it flash the whole screen? I don't know. I could not get that. Who knows? Anyways, that's great news. So let's see. Perfect. Perfecto. Like this. Let's see. Toop, 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 toop.
Znači, od 3, 4, 7.
Okay. Let's see. That's all done. So this should put back to 1, 3, 4. And these are the fancy border options. I don't need this anymore, really. Do I need this? Well, now no, I can just do this. Yeah. Do I need this? I know why it flashes. Because of this. Okay. So instead of doing that, what we're gonna do is this. And then it should not flash. And we check to see if it's not gonna flash. So we enter that. And we exit at the end. And instead of this, we just have this. That's because I don't return it back to 0, 0. Okay. Like this. Except the cursor. Okay, so but we have this cursor. So yes, cursor control. There is blah blah blah. There's this. We're gonna do right now. Oops. Make easy. Hell yeah. Okay, okay, okay. Now this is great. But no, it's still visible. Okay, fuck. I need 25. high at the end. If possible, thank you very much. 25 high. Visible. Yeah, let's do that here as well. Make the cursor visible. And make it the cursor invisible. Invisibile. Tup, 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 tup. And it's back to visible. Tup, 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 tup. What I can also probably do is wasn't there something like cursor? Move cursor. Save cursor position. Restore cursor to save cursor position. Okay, so it's better to use that. Okay. This is interesting. I wonder how this works. Let's see. If to it. Oh. Yeah. If true. And then also print that. Let's see what it prints out. 9-1. Okay, so it says 9th row first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9-1. So it later prints it to standard out. So it prints. Bless you. Bless you. Don't know how to deal with that. Bless you, bless you, bless you. Oh, bless you, bless you, bless you. For now, we're gonna go. The other one. Bless you. Okay. Now let's see what we did. The challenge. The challenge. Bless you. I can't okay that I put it here. Let's just move it. It's right below or something. Above. Green below, like everything else. Bless you. Yeah, that's absolutely below. So let's see. So we made everything variable, so that's cool. Check this, which is fine. Have this is literally the same, but it's just fucking blind. That's great. After that, we make the cursor visible and visible. We have the component, and then we have the changes where it's like so the anytime we accept the component, and then here is the crux of the problem. Where we had to change a lot of functionalities. First, we made them back from what's the name that templated to normal functions that can accept v tables and pointer and blah. Yes. Whoops. It seems all fine to me. I'm not gonna check it more than I did just now. Yeah, need this anyway. Moved all the move all the components. Make components. Yes, we did that. My place. States. If I once spelled it correctly, I would be so fucking happy. Oops, I forgot what. This. Yeah. Status. Commit. Made mode of the component to what to what to don't get push. That's a great language. So guys, we finished. I streamed way more than I thought I would. Anyways, thank you for watching. I have to go eat now, feed my girlfriend, otherwise she's gonna be angry. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you some other time, maybe tomorrow, maybe not. We'll see. Bye bye.